Hello to my channel. We'll talk today about some formulas that some people have a difference between them, like count, count A, count F, count Fs, count blank, decount, decount A, and CUBESET count. This is our count formulas. Let's start with count. Count is counting any numerical values in the table. It doesn't count any word or names in the table. So we can start with count. Let's take score. We have 7 scores. Let's check at 7. Let's add some words here, and we can use count A. It will count any value in the cells, even its numerical or non-numerical value. So we can take score. Here it's 9. The 7 is numerical values and the 2 added yes here. Count F. Here we count something with F formula. It's like a condition we said before we count. Let's start with count F. The range. So we need to count people who have the name Alice. One. Let's add another Alice here. Become 2. Here we will see the COUNTIFs formula. Here the same of COUNTIF, but we will count something with 2 arguments. So we can count the number of person who is Alice who passed in the exam. So we have 2 Alice. One of them passed in the exam, the another one didn't pass the exam. So we can count Alice who passed the exam. So count Fs, criteria range 1, that will search for the name of Alice, and criteria range 2 will search for yes. We have 1 Alice passed. Another thing, count blank. This formula count any blank cells in the table or a range. So we can use it. Count blank. We'll search for blank in the whole table. We have 6 blank cells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct. DCOUNT and DCOUNTA. This is important formulas because we can search for something. We can count some criteria from the table. So we can use it. We can search for the number of people that have an exact score from here. So we can take score as a copy to here. Okay. So DCOUNT. We'll search in this database. The field that we search in is score, and we will search for a specific score. So number of people that have scored are 7 in total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can search for number of people that have scored 95. They are 2. It's correct. 1, 2. The number of people that have score is 91. It's 1. Another formula is DCOUNT A. DCOUNT A is counting the same thing of count A. Here DCOUNT count any numerical value. So it counts any numerical value here. It's 7. Here we can count any value, numerical or non-numerical, in the cells. So we count A. We can search in the database for the field score. The criteria is here. Score 9. So if we search for yes, there are 2. For 69, 1, 95 are 2. This CUBESET count is a complicated formula that is advanced function for OLAP cubes or power pivot tables. So it's an advanced formula that we can't use here. If you found this video is useful for you, kindly share it and subscribe and like the video. Thank you.